Hey guys, in this video, we will be learning how to change the door opening directions. Alright, let's get started. So as you can see, I have a door on my right hand side and I have a wall cabinet on my left hand side. Alright, so firstly, how do I change my door opening? Okay, so as you can see right now, it's on the left hand side. So if I would like to change it to the right hand side, simply just go to 2D. Alright, click onto your door. Okay, and just over here, there's a black bar. Okay, so click rotate. Okay, so once you rotate it, as you can see when you go inside 3D, your door opening direction has changed. Okay, so just use the rotate button. Okay, so for a wall cabinet, okay, so right now when I click on O, okay, oops, okay, let, let me switch it back. Okay, so right now it's a swing door, so there are a total of 3 types of door you can change. Okay, so right now the first one is a swing door, so all you need to do is just click onto your door and then over here style position panel. Okay, so right now it's a swing door. If I change it to a drawer, okay, so as you can see, it opens up like a drawer. Okay, so the next one, okay, is a flip door. Okay, so as you can see when I open it, it's a flip door. Okay, so for a flip door, you can either change the directions going upwards or opening downwards. Okay, so right now if I open it from downwards, it should look something like that. All right, so this is how you change your door opening directions. Good luck trying, guys.